Hey guys, imagine this. AI bands are already pulling millions on Spotify. But what happens when the spotlight moves to music videos? Can an AI avatar actually stand there and sing like it's real? Or will it all fall apart with weak lip sync? Stick around because today we're pushing AI music to its breaking point. And I've got two brand new tools that prove whether this works or not. Let's dive in.
Vortex, take me higher. AI fuel, fire.
All right guys, so you want to become the next AI legendary singer without ever showing your face. No problem. Now I'll show you step by step how to make your own AI music video from beginner all the way to advanced pro level. Let's dive in. We start with the visual style and vibe. I'm going for that classic 90s pop synthwave look, neon lights, you know my style. I'm using our Vortex Agent AI tool where you get all the best models in one place. I just upload my photo or my singer's photo, then a reference style photo and use a prompt like, make her a singer with a microphone, singing, background is Vortex. Nano Banana or Seedream can handle this perfectly. The results look amazing and I'll save several versions. Next step, creating the actual music video. I'll show you 3 levels, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Let's start with level 1. For total beginners, use Google VO3. Just drop in your singer image, lyrics, and prompt. VO3 does the rest. Sure, it's only 8 seconds and not epic, but it's literally drag, drop, done. Here is the result.
Vortex, take me higher. AI fuel, viral fire, lights flash, future flows. With Vortex, everybody knows.
All right, level 2. Now we level up. Here we create a full professional song with lip sync. For music, I'm using Suno V5, the most powerful AI music model right now. It writes lyrics, generates multiple tracks, and you can even save your band's style so future songs sound consistent. Then, for lip sync, I use Dreamina Omnihuman 1.5, which is perfect for singing. The only limitation is 30 seconds, so we cut the track into sections, then stitch them in CapCut. Here's the result.
Vortex, take me higher. AI fuel, viral fire, lights flash, future flows. With Vortex, everybody knows.
Already looking amazing, but the static camera feels a bit flat. Finally guys, level 3, advanced mode. Now we add dynamic camera movements. For this, I'm using WAN 2.5, also available on Vortex AI. Instead of just image and voice, WAN 2.5 lets you control the camera with text prompts. For example, a woman singing passionately, neon lights, rays, high energy effects, fast camera moves. The result looks fire, but keep in mind WAN 2.5 is limited to 10 seconds. So again, you'll cut and stitch in CapCut. It takes more work, but the energy and emotion you get is worth it.
Vortex, take me higher. AI fuel, viral fire, lights flash, future flows. With Vortex, everybody knows. Vortex in my veins, AI running through the chains. Turn it up, watch me rise. Vortex takes me to the sky. Vortex viral dream.
And if you really want to push it, here's where it gets extra advanced. You can actually stage 2 singers performing together, AI duets with full interaction. That's a whole new level of complexity and deserves its own breakdown, but trust me, it's possible and it looks incredible.
You are my vortex of love. We swirl tonight.
Lost in the neon, AI makes us take flight.
So what do you think guys? Is AI about to replace musicians for good? Drop your own AI music videos in the comments. I want to see what you create. And don't forget to stick around and subscribe to Vortex for more insane AI news and hot takes coming your way. Bye!
Enter Vortex, feel the glow. AI takes you viral, watch it flow.